Here we are at Caddy Daddy headquarters on the 19th of April on our way down to get Neil Young's 59 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz convertible. We're going to restore that car. We're going to show you tricks and tips on how to restore a car, specifically a 59 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. And I'm going to pan around some of the things that we have in our showroom just so you can see. I'll walk back here. We've got a little more work to do, but real pleased with what's going on right now. So I did say Neil Young's. No, it's Caddy Daddy's now, officially today. And the restoration process, I guess you got to really say it's going to start today. There's some license plates. Real Cadillac dealers, when Cadillac was known for just having dealers that sold Cadillacs. I'm gonna walk around the corner here and I'll go some more license plates. I did have one of the first XTS's. That's me in a former life, Dr. Watts, your car stereo doctor. As I did bring thunder to the industry. And we're gonna walk back here. Take a look at this beautiful, beautiful sign. And well, we normally have the TV going, running vintage Cadillac car commercials. And so I'm gonna walk outside right now as we're getting ready to go on our adventure. And that's gonna be going down. I'll have to get the trailer now, but we're gonna go down and have breakfast at one of my favorite places, Fred's in Sausalito. And friend of mine, Cremis, he used to be the cook there. He's got a Cadillac and has a passion for Cadillac. Dieter Rapp is there and he has a passion for Cadillac. So we're just loading up and we'll say bye for now and see you on the next video.